Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive Reels on Instagram. Archiving Instagram Reels helps you declutter your profile while keeping your content safe and accessible for future use. So let's start the video. To archive Reels, open Instagram app. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner. Here tap on Reels tab. Now scroll through the list and find the reel you want to archive. Tap on the reel to open it. Now tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the reel. Here tap on Manage and then select Archive from the sub-menu. So tap on Archive. Confirm by tapping on Archive again. Your reel will now be moved to your archived section, which means it's hidden from your profile but still available for you to access later. So that's how to archive reels on Instagram. Thanks for watching.